And this is the 561 Kalen Bridge in Kennewick, Washington, the Columbia River. We've got 3 train bridges here. We've got 46, CQ 46, the Burns Northern Train Bridge, CQ 47, Burns Northern Train Bridge, and this one's Union Pacific Railroad Bridge. It's 561. Got 2 train bridges crossing the Columbia River, and one runs across the Snake River Bridge from Pasco to Burbank, and this one here is from Kennewick to Burbank. This one here, back in the 80s, that part of the train bridge from the tower right there, and that part down there on the bottom, that part used to swing back in the 80s. And they rebuilt this piece to go up and down from the 90s till today. Still operates going up and down. Now we're fixing to lower the bridge for train here. In a minute, we're on channel 13, commercial traffic. No, that's on channel 16 and 13. 16 is the emergency channel for the Coast Guard.
UP Kalen Bridge will be closing soon to all marine traffic, over.
Kalen Bridge, Captain Bob.
Go ahead.
Yeah, we're right below you here. I was just wondering how long you think you'd be down.
Oh, 20 minutes or so, I think.
Okay, we're probably going to be leaving here at about 10, so guess your call on that there.
We'll just wait for you.
Okay, thanks.
Well,
Yes, sir.
looks like we have to wait. So we'll be waiting for the tugboat to come through. So I'm going to stop video and redo a video as soon as they